so the key can pass through this part right here of our Good day, guys. Abner's Reviews here. Today we have a DIY tech tip for you guys, and that's how you fix your broken car key and replace it with another one without going to your local key maker. So this is our broken key. As you can see right here, it's broken into 3 pieces. So this is the steel part, and this is the key cover right here. So if we open this up, it opens into 3 pieces right there. So this is the steel part of the key, and this one are the shell or key case that houses the electronic parts of our car key. So this one holds the battery, and this one holds the chip right there. So this one is our replacement shell or key case. I have purchased this online. So let's open this up like so. Okay, and we have basically two parts to this. So these two are the basic components of our replacement key cover right here. So this one is the one facing the front, which we have insert for the buttons right there. We have 2 buttons for our key, and this one is the back part of our car key cover. Our replacement key cover also comes with these parts. So these are stickers which we can put in our back cover, I mean the back side of our key case. And these two holds the steel part of our key. So this is the basic screw right here, and this is where we insert the steel part of the key, which I will show you later. So these are our components for our replacement car key shell cover. So we start by getting our old parts out from the damaged car key. So this is one side of it. As you see, it's damaged right there. So this one holds the battery part of our old key. So it's really easy. All you have to do is flip it over, and there you go. That is the one that holds the battery of our old car key. This is the part of our old key that holds the chip and the buttons of our old car key as well. So it's easy to detach it from the shell. Toggle on the sides like so. It has a rubber sides right here, and on the other side, which you can latch onto to get our chip right here. So this one is the one handling the buttons right there. It's here where our key presses on these buttons end up. Get the last part, which is the buttons from the old car key. So you just press on it lightly and they will come out. So these are our buttons from our old key. The other side looks like that. Okay? Now this is the steel part of our old key. You see the age there, right? Yeah, because I've been using this for years. So it has a remnant of the old screw right here on top, right there. So you see it's as a so we have to use our screwdriver for this one. So we need to remove this so our key can pass this part of our replacement car key right there. So it has to go through there. So we have to remove that old remnant of our old screw from the old key with a small Phillips screwdriver, which we have right here. Okay, so all you got to do is remove this like so. There we go.
Perfect.
So now it's off. It exposes that hole in the steel part of our key right there. So that is a success right here. Remove the old remnant screw from our old key. Yeah, so this is the part where we insert the steel part of our old key through that hole right there. So you see the shape, right? So if you would see the steel part of our old key and technically the third part of our replacement car key cover, they would coincide with the same shape, like so. So what we will do is insert it right here in this direction. We just insert it in the middle, like so, with the orientation of the same shape, there and there. Okay, because there's a slant side right there, if you would see that right there. So we just aligned it with this one where we have a slant on our key, the old steel part of our key right here. So we just insert it in the middle right there, up to the inside of our replacement car key cover part. So if you would see, it fits right there, and we have that hole perfectly aligned.
Perfect.
So we have the buttons right here and our front side of the replacement car key cover. The other cut out circle of our replacement car key case is bigger than the other one, so we just have to insert it the same way. So the lock here, the lock button is bigger than the unlock, so that's the one we insert on the bigger cutout right there. So just do it like so. So the bigger part is on the upper side of the cover. Do it like so. So there. It looks something like this. Cool. Oh, and by the way, the hole right here, if you can see that one, just beside the lock button is where our LED indicator should be seen later. Okay, so we grab the chip part of our old key right here. So as you can see, it should align with the buttons that we have inserted right here. So it should be this way, right? That way the buttons will be aligned on this side. 1, 2. Okay, so you put it on our replacement key cover like so. So now we grab the back part of our key right here, the one where we can put the stickers, and let us get the old electronic part right here, which houses the battery of our old car key, and we just insert it the right way on our replacement car key cover. So like so. So if you would notice, this is the part where we put the steel part of our key, which we have assembled with the little cover right here. with a hole. That one goes here. It actually has a notch in there where you can insert the under part of the key right there. So there's a groove there right here. You would see that. So that will fit snug to our replacement car key case. Actually, you know what? I found out before we insert this electronic part from our old car key, which houses the battery, to the backside of the replacement car key case. Before we insert it there, we should first assemble it with the steel part of the key, which we have assembled earlier. We have to place it perfectly on the bottom side right here so that it would sit flush with the rest of our parts. So there's a groove right there. I hope you can see that one, where it would coincide with the grooves on the steel part right here on the sides, the one I showed you earlier. So all you need to do is really put it like so and insert it to the grooves right there and push it ever so lightly so as to secure that part right there. So now it's assembled like so. You see the hole there, right? So now that's good. We can now put the battery part inside the case right there. So now all we have to do is assemble this one with the other side, the front facing side of the replacement car key, the one that holds our buttons, and we should be good to go. So these are our assembled parts so far. All we need to do is join this part with this one. So this is the back side of our replacement car key cover. This is the front side, which holds our buttons. So we just need to join them together and screw in the hole which I was showing you earlier right there. So all we need to do is join these parts right like so. Just hold them like so, and there you go. Or the two sides of our key cover, of our replacement car key cover, are joined together right there. So there are notches all around the edges of our replacement key cover. You just need to snap them on really good. So you can hear that here. And there we go.
Perfect.
It fits snug. You just have to apply pressure so you can close the replacement car key cover correctly, like so. So now all we need to do is put in our replacement screw right here into that hole right there. So we just insert our screw with our Phillips screw right here on our replacement car key cover like so. There. We'll just tighten that up. So you just make sure to tighten that up like so it won't wobble in any shape or form. So you see that's tight right there. So our replacement car key cover is complete. Let's see if it's working. Okay, it works.
Perfect.
There you go, guys. I have just attached the stickers. It comes with our replacement car key cover. So So that looks good, right? So there you go guys with our complete DIY replacement car key cover. This one works. If you have comments or inquiries, please comment them down below. If you liked our video today, please toss a like down there. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell and select all so that you'll get notified when we upload our next videos. Also, do not forget to follow us on our social media links right here. Once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.